Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to withdraw money from Phantom wallet to bank account. So in order to do this procedure, what you can do is, first of all, steps to withdraw money from what you can do is you can access your cryptocurrency exchange supporting Solana or your Phantom wallet. Likewise, you could go ahead and sell a token for a stable coin like USDT or USDC. So you could go ahead and select Solana, and then you could go ahead and click on the sell button. As you press on the sell button, then next thing you need to go ahead and transfer stablecoin to your exchange account, and then sell the stable coin, and once again sell stable coin to a fiat currency. Then you need to go ahead and initiate a withdrawal to your linked bank account. After that, you can follow exchange withdrawal process providing bank details, and some exchange may need verification, allowing time for processing which varies. Then the fiat fund will be deposited into your bank account once processed. So make sure that you've already linked a bank account as well. So with that, you'll have successfully withdrawn money from Phantom wallet to bank account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.